Nolly very also for opening for the fight. I have a question for Mr. Arthur Pegapria. Mr. Pegapria, will there be a major evolution for this Grand International Philippines with regard to its search and presentation of the pageant? Because we all know that it will going to evolve from its previous franchise owners to ALB production as the owner.
Like what I said a while ago, there's going to be something different. We will get, I hope I can surpass or match at least I can level with how the Thailand does the production of this Grand International, this Grand Thailand. And we will do our best, of course. We'll get the best director, creative directors in our country, and if I can, I told Teresa the other day if I can, get some creative directors from Thailand to help us to stage our Philippine project from this Philippines.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Next question, please.
Hi, Tita Nawat.
Hello ladies. Hi Roberta. My question is for Mr. Nawat. Yeah, but this is a very nice question. Yes, Miss Grand International celebrated its 10th anniversary this year. For you, what has been the biggest challenge of building a pageant brand like Miss Grand International? Because it's never easy to build something from scratch. What has been the biggest challenge for you to build the brand of Miss Grand International?
Okay, thank you for a good question. And
A nice question.
nice and soft question. Okay. Thank you for the question. Sitting and listening. Okay,
Nice
because
and
I want to
soft.
answer long time. Okay. By the way, I told you again, beauty pageant contest is the most important. So, when I'm watching Miss Universe, Miss World, Miss International, Miss any kind of Miss, I would like to make another kind of the beauty pageant waves for 21st century, like more entertainment, huge chapter of the beauty pageant contest in the world. This is the most important, so that's why I started Miss Grand International. Most important, I know many years ago until now, I believe it, social network is most important. The television life is still very slow. So we turn our beauty pageant to social network. Social network is different from the television show. Television shows so many kind of rule and anything control, but social network is more fun and everything is possible. So that's why something is different. Like when you pronounce your name, can you introduce your name and your country like Miss Grand? You see, Miss Grand, Philippines. You cannot do it in the television before, right? But when you come to join us, you can make a big and loud noise. You can dance very strong. You can do whatever you want, who you are. This is the most important. I don't want the girl is like not the nature. Walk too much slow, only smile. I like the girls laughing all the time, more than happy. And then walk like a normal people, but okay, good personality. We have to change a lot of things for 21st century. This is my opinion for the beginning. So that's why we different kind, and also we have our own traditional like take the crown when they fulfill the duty, and also speed for stop the war and violence. We have our advocacy stop the war. Why? Because I have to show the world no one can stop. Even Miss Grand International cannot stop the war. If I cannot stop the war, I will stop Russia now. Okay? Don't make any war. Okay, but I cannot. But I have to repeat this word to the world. Pass by top 10 speech. How do they stop? What do they want to say? This is the benefit back to the world. Because the war is the first problem in the world. And the problem still now. Like Greece time, Roman time, First World War, Second World War until now. but I would like to repeat. This is the most important that I thinking this is different. Many pageants have beauty, sexy, oh, so many things look beauty for us. Not
Pabalik ba parang niya?
enough. Okay, beauty, body, brain, and ready to wear. This is the most important that I start from the 0 until 10th anniversary already. Thank you so much.
Mr. Nawat, and that is why we are grand to one and only.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Marlon. Thank you so much.
Oh, I'm sleep well tonight. Thank you for your question.
Yes, madam.